Hi, my name is Safa Mogharebi. I'm an SIE from Germany, and today we want to talk about some RPC Connect features. This video will only touch on a portion of the new features available in the new RPC Connect product. To fully leverage the power of this new platform, we highly recommend that you engage with MTS training. To do this, just simply go to the MTS website, click on Services, click on Training courses. Scroll down, here you see all the training stuff we have, like classroom and on-site training. And down below, you will find for the beginners, for the RPC Connect beginners, the basic software operation course. Then for our Switch users, the people coming from the old RPC Pro product. And here on the right, you see the RPC Connect Advanced Software Operation course. Hi, today we want to talk about another RPC Connect feature in the Analyze stage. So we are going to scroll down as usual, clicking on our Analyze tab here, scrolling down, and then we are concentrating on the tools with multiple functions here. So, some tools in RPC Connect have multiple functions, and we want to concentrate today on the channel extract tool. So this is one of the features I want to introduce to you because it is highly recommended here. And this tool offers, of course, to channel extract, and as you can see here with these arrows, to reorder some channels and so on. But of course, which is not pretty obvious, you can use or select multiple files to get one final target file out of it. And this is what this schematic here is trying to show. You have different time histories here. Then you are going into the channel extract tool. And then finally, you get your target file, your final target file. And in a second, we will see in the software how this works or how this looks like. Another tool which has multiple functions, which we want to talk about today, is the time history scale and offset tool. And the time history scale and offset tool here, you can see the scaling options. Under the action node here, this column action, if you scroll down here, you get a lot of features like remove mean, remove offset, and some additional features which you can explore here. And this makes it easy to work with your files and have the most commonly used functionalities to analyze and prepare your data to finally use them in the simulate stage or wherever there is a need. Okay, it's time for some practice. Let's hop into the software and explore these new features. So here we are in the analyze stage, and we just open with the help of our quick launch tool, Ctrl+T. We open our channel extract. There you go. It's offering me channel extract. And then I select different time histories here. So this is the first time history I select. So example file, we get an alias A here, which you see here as well. So if I open that up, we have 10 channels in here. And then I hit the plus button and search for another file. So this is the second time history here. Now I get an alias B, which you see here. So out of these time histories, I can select now my channels. It means that time history with the alias A, I can, for example, just select the first 5 channels if I'm interested in. Now I'm collapsing the channel B, which we can see here. I extend the window a little bit. So we have here several more channels. We can select these 5 channels here, and we get an alias B here because these channels are coming out of time history B. So in total, we get a time history where we, let's say, merge the files here, the channels. We have 10 channels in total. And if I hit run and close, I get a time history with the properties, with the channels I channel extract here. So 10 channels in total with the channels I selected here. The next tool we showed here was the time history scale and offset tool. So the time history scale and offset tool offers you, for example, we just take the same file here, which we just created, and then it offers you to set any offsets, to remove means, whatever you have. So in this case, for example, we want to just add an offset here, saying a value of 5, for example, and then we just hit run and close. And then, of course, we get a file which has an offset of 5 compared to our previous file, which we can see here. So let me remove everything from the plotter. which we are not comparing right now. So as you can see here, the original file is the black one, the new file is the blue file, the new file is the blue one. And then now we can, of course, just remove easily that offset again, or set a mean, whatever options you want to have. So be sure, if you are using that tool, explore what features you can set here. And in this case, we want to remove the offset from the first channel here. Let's say hit run and close. And of course, we get the same file, and the differences we see here is due to the tapering we have. So that is the feature I just wanted to show to you guys. So with that, I want to say again, thank you for your attention and see you next time.